Hello everyone, Eric from Sector 5 here. Today we wanted to show you the Sector 5 E3 Chromebook unboxing experience. To compare, here's a competitor's box that their Chromebook comes in. And this is a sample of what Sector 5 does. This is a nice box. It's clean. Description on the side. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. So at first glance, this product comes pretty well packaged. It's nice and clean. Sector 5. I like that muted look. Very nice. Probably one of the better built Chromebooks I've ever seen. What else? Quick start guide. Charging port. It's a Type-C. And we're going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit. You have to plug it in for the first time to make sure that the Chromebook will turn on. And look at that. We have a touch screen here too, so let's press that. Awesome. Let's power this off. Unplug it. Close it up. Sector 5. So we have a USB-C, USB 3, micro SD, headphone jack, USB 3, USB-C, and a Kensington lock for the new version. Chromebook in Sector 5. E3, guys. Take a look at it.